everyone, how are you all doing today? Today I'm going to show you how I spend my days during this lockdown period. I stay in a rented house and I don't have big space to do gardening, but I have a small place in this area, so this is where I plant the saplings, and after that I transfer it in a container that is on top of the terrace. I'll be showing you what are the vegetables that I have planted so far. So first of all, I'll be showing you the saplings in this area, and after that I'll take you there on the terrace. So keep watching. Today I have my partner sitting with me. She's my lovely cutie pixie. She's 5 years old, but she looks like a puppy. She's very sweet and I really love her. So this is the first time I'm showing you my dog here. So Pixie, say hi. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the saplings one by one, and after that let's proceed to the next area. These are the saplings that I planted. This is eggplant or brinjal. Here we have ginger plant, and this is taro, all in one. Here we have more ginger plant again, and down that is eggplant saplings. These are chili saplings, tomato, and this is pumpkin. Here we have more eggplant sapling, and these are some flowers. Here we have some ashcot or chuha kumura. This is spider plant. Let me show you my mustard green saplings. This is mustard green sapling. I need to transplant it very soon because this area is too congested. And these are some chili saplings. I have more chili saplings here again. These are onion and eggplant. And this is snack plant. And here we have basil. This is my favorite plant. I'm really hoping that it will grow well. So this is the area where I do the sapling and transplant it. Okay, so before I take you to the terrace and show you my vegetables, let me quickly fill in some soil in the container, because if I don't look after it well, then it won't grow healthy. So I need to look after them very well, and I need to check and fill in soil whenever necessary. This taro is actually from Nagaland. When I went home in the month of April, I bought taro and I planted some of it. I'm not very sure whether this taro will give a healthy root or not, but I'm sure I can at least eat the leaf and the stem of it. This brinjal is also from Nagaland. Itu sabi to ami kan Nagaland de green wala brinjal by na itu labi jondo asa. So this is also different species of brinjal. Eggplants are usually dark purple or brownish purple, but this eggplant is of greenish color. Okay, this pumpkin is not from Nagaland. I actually bought one whole pumpkin from the market and I dried the seeds. And after that I planted it, and you see it grew up so well. So I'm hoping that it won't die very soon. Even if it doesn't give us a fruit also, it doesn't matter because I can eat the leaf of this pumpkin. So if it can grow big, then that's fine. And pumpkin need a big area to grow. So I'm just wondering where I'm going to keep this. Let's see. Let's find out some way. So this area is called mosquito village because there are a hell lot of mosquitoes in this area. But during this lockdown, I managed to clean up some part of it and I planted some vegetables. So let me take you down there. This is cardamom plant. I'm not sure whether it's going to give us any fruit or not, but just for the sake. Here we have some chili plant. This is okra or lady's finger. In this area, I planted lots of taro. But it's raining continuously here for the past 1 week, so I'm not very sure if these vegetables are going to give us any fruit or not, because if it rains like this, then there might be a chances of waterlogging. So I have some doubt. Here I have some mustard greens. I harvested once, and I'm not sure whether this is going to grow very well because, as I said, it's raining so heavily here. But just keep it this way. And this is my favorite area. This is purple cauliflower. Here we have some white cauliflower. This is carrot plant. This is eggplant. It has started to bloom. And here we have one tomato plant. It has started to ripe, so I think within a week I can pick it. This is mint plant. And this is naga chive. So this is the last batch of cherry tomatoes that I have in my garden. And like I said earlier, it has been raining for the past 1 week. And if I don't pick it now, there are chances that this plant might die very soon. So I need to hurry up. Well guys, this is how I'm spending my days during this lockdown, though I cannot go back to my hometown in Nagaland. Well, I'll be updating you more on my garden, so stay safe and keep watching Nagaland Foodie.